This is going to be a video how to change your sway bar links. This is a '08 Tahoe. Every once in a while I hit a bump, something, I hear a clickety clackety, and I went under the car and I noticed my sway bar links didn't look right. I got some opinions, didn't agree that it didn't look right. This one got about 128,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible. It's my assistant for today. Hi. All right, let's get to it. All right, so get started. Make sure, take your tire off. You want to break the lug nuts while the car is on the ground. Jack the car up. Always make sure you put it on jack stands. As you can see, don't trust the jacks by itself. And take the tire off. The replacement part ready. This is a Duralast heavy duty. It has the, instead of the plastic spacer, this one has a metal one. And if you look at how it's supposed to go, I'm sorry if you can't see, it's a little, the sun is on this side, probably see it on the other side. You'll notice that in between here it's missing a spacer. So this could be the reason why I'm hearing a clickety clack when I hit bumps. So let's get this old one off. What you're going to need is a 15mm wrench. This one's a ratchet wrench. You got to put that one on the top. And then you're gonna need a 15mm socket. You're gonna have to hold that one on the bottom, because if you don't, you try to do one or the other, this whole thing's gonna spin. So I'm gonna break it loose, and then my assistant here is gonna take it off. I'm on the driver's side now because on the passenger side, this bushing right here and this bolt, this bushing and bolt was like fused together. So when I tried to, remove it, the whole unit that kept spinning together. And what somebody suggested, which makes complete sense, is to take a hacksaw to it, and I think I'm gonna have to go to the hardware store to do that. But I wanted to at least get one of these sides done. The driver's side had no problem coming off when I was taking it off. Keep hearing something, but it definitely sounded crunchy and everything. It was pretty bad, but got the driver's side off. What I'm gonna do real quick, knock some of this rust off, is to take a wire brush, quick scrub both sides. Get that sway bar. This won't really help with nothing, but let's knock some of that rust off. Now, when installing the new one, you may need to pry up on this so you can get some more clearance. As you can see, that moves, so you can get the new one in there. So make sure you use a pry bar for that as well. Alright, got the new one in. Tighten it down. I'm going to lower the car to normal level, then I'm going to tighten it down for good. See, my old one, this middle bushing right here where my finger is was missing, so it could have been while I was hearing the clackety clack with the bumps, because it was hitting that, but we'll see. Under the car, put the car down because I wanted to make sure everything was level to how it was. For some reason, the heavy duty ones, instead of the 15mm or 14mm, so when you're tightening everything down, make sure you put a 14mm on that. and a 14mm wrench up top. Tighten everything down. You don't want to over tighten these. You don't want to over tighten and end up cracking these, and then back at square one. So pretty much, that was a quick video how to change your sway bar and links. Should take about like an hour for both. It's taking longer because I'm gonna have to get that one on the passenger side off, but overall that's how you do it. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Do like hearing people's suggestions. So that's it. Have a good one.